Okay, assignment 2, the first one, is pretty straightforward. We just add the color that we want for each vertices, and let me run it. Yeah, and that's how we get this. The second one, we have in order to control the specific area of the color to get rid of that gradient effect, we have to send multiple vertex. There's multiple color for some of the index vertices that we've been use. It just looks like that. Okay. Uh, the third one. Why it's not working? Let me run it first. Yeah, it's not working because the layout. Uh, because we change the order of its content, but the input layout will change it. So that's why it's not working. In order to make it work, we have to modify the assign bat offset of the input layout. Uh, which I mean here we simply change the number here, and yeah, it works. Okay. For the fourth one, so I add. We have we want to control the color by using the constant buffer right here. Uh, I add the constant buffer right here with a flow for and array with two indexes, and so now we can let me run this first. Yeah. Now we can change the color. For example, instead of yellow, we go green, and we want the center. We want the fourth triangle instead of red to be like a blue. And yeah, that's the result we want. Perfect. So the further question, first one, what is the difference between constant buffer and shader constant? The constant buffer is just a block of data that can store different variables and can be accessed by both uh, CPU and GPU, but uh, a shader a shader constant are some constant that shader program variable that cannot be changed while the program execution process. The second question, why we cannot get what we want, because in the rasterizing stage, uh, it will only interpolate all vertex attribute for each pixel inside this triangle, and will not interpolate outside this triangle. That's why we get this. That's why we cannot get what we want right here.